let's take some dual tires off so we can put snow plows on. We've got a brand new tool here that we're trying out today, the Milwaukee M18. This is one bad mojo. So Zach has most of the bolts out. We got 4 more to go here. Well, I thought it was a bad mojo.
There we go.
Damn, hurting my feelings. He just wasn't holding his tongue right the first go round. Damn, we may not have enough weight off of it. Get on the back side of it. All right, and we're just gonna let it go up against this pole here. All right, and right up against that tire. I should have read the directions before I used it. I wouldn't have rung those bolts off.
That one, when I put those in, that seems like nothing to it. I mean, I'm sure it's enough tight in them, but you see what happened.
Yeah.
That's good for looks.
Alright, we're just going to lean up against the back of this tractor as we take it down. Yeah, and he needs the heavier chassis like that one, not just a 2500. Right. Huh. So today we have got a light bar. So I've got to get in the game here with all these other guys putting light bars on tractors. So I have got a True Value Special. This was on sale last week at the hardware store. Of course, I got a little better deal than that. 21.5-inch light bar here. That's what it looks like. Simple 2-wire process. We are going to mount it on the 7140, and it looks like it's going to mount right here on this front screen. That looks like the best place for it. It gets it above the snow plow, so we can shine light above the plow when the plow is in the up position. So we're going to give that a try. So what we think is going to work here is we have taken the side cover. This is the side panel that sits right there on the side of the steering column. We have removed the horn switch, because who needs a horn anyway? We've removed the horn switch, put a separate switch in here for the light. We're going to use the horn wiring for this light bar. So hopefully that is going to do the trick. We're going to give it a shot here. Stay tuned. Damn, it's cold out here today. Last night it got down to 20, 22 degrees. The wind's been blowing all day today, so the wind chill, I don't think the temperature has got above freezing, so the wind chill has been probably down around 20. It's damn cold. So we did get our LED light bar put on the 7140 Magnum here. Mounted up there real nice on the grill. So when you back away from it, it doesn't look too out of place, though. I'm looking at those bolts holding the bracket on. I may have to put some black paint on there. They're kind of standing out right now at the moment. The problem we were having when the snowplow is in the up position all the way up, it is blocking the headlight. So I think the light bar is up tall enough now to shine light above the plow when it is up. So we're going to give that a shot. As I said, that's a True Value special on sale last week at my local hardware store. So we pulled the horn switch out of here, and I had a switch left over probably from snowplow mounting last year that we used. Just replace that here where the horn switch is. Turns up, and the light should now be on. So there you go. That should give us plenty of light here. So since we used the horn switch, we just hooked right into the wiring of the horn that was already up there. I had taken the horn off. It's been years ago now. It stopped working. I just never put another one on it. We don't have a use for a horn on a tractor around here, or very seldom. So that was very easy. What I now have to do is determine what fuse that horn is on. It doesn't list it separately on the fuse list. So when this light does quit working, we have to determine which fuse that is. I'm sure the horn didn't have but a 5 amp fuse on it. We may need a little bit more for this light. I'm not sure. So otherwise, very pleased with the installation and how it went up here. So we'll see when it gets dark and when it starts snowing if it's going to do what we want it to do. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let there be light. Hey, we've got lots of light here. You probably can't see it that great, but we're shining all the way over to the barn there. Nice white bright lights. Yeah, I like that. I think that's going to do what we want it to do. So go see your local True Value store for a nice LED light bar. And that is it. We will see ya!